Okay, Alex, so today we're going to do some sit to stand motions to try and practice that. So first I just want to see you try and stand up for me. Okay, and go ahead and sit back down. Okay, so first we're going to try and get our bottom out in front of the chair right here. So go ahead and scoot out if you're able to. Good. And now you want to bring your feet back underneath of you. A little bit more. There you go. So this is the position I want you to be in when we try and stand up. Okay, so go ahead and try it again. Okay, and back down. Okay, so I see you're putting a lot of weight on this leg here. So I want you to put more weight through this leg. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have you bring your arms out like this for me. And we're going to do this rocking motion to kind of get your momentum going. So on the count of 3, we'll stand up, and I really want you to push through this right leg. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Push, 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 push. Good, all the way up. All right, and back down. Okay? And then to progress this, put a box under your foot, your left foot here. Kind of take that leg out of the picture when we stand up, so then you're forced to use more weight through this leg here. Okay. All right, so we'll do the same thing. Go ahead and scoot out just a little bit more. Good. And arms up, and rock that motion. 1, 2, and 3. Good. And back down. So that's really strengthening this right leg. That's what we want. Symmetrical weight bearing between the two. And then to progress that even further, we'll take a bigger box to make it even harder for that right leg. Yep, go ahead and put your foot there. And one more time. And rock. 1, 2, and 3. Push, push, push. Good. And back down. All right. So the reason why we're doing this is we want equal weight bearing when you stand up. You tend to lean to your left a lot, so we want to make sure that right leg is strong enough to help you stand up, which will make your sit to stand a lot easier. And then what exactly we're doing is we're focusing on this leg here, strengthening, as well as using that momentum to help you stand up. So we're taking this leg out of the picture, your left leg, using the box and the lower box too as well. And I'm looking to try and get you to symmetrically weight bear, so I want you to try and stand up again. Just how we practiced. And equal weight through your, 1, 2, and 3. Do you feel a difference with that? Yeah. Okay, go ahead and sit back. All right, Alex, so next we're going to work on another part of your sit to stand. We noticed that when you're standing, you're not getting full extension of your hip and during the stabilization phase, so we're going to try and work on that muscle back there to strengthen that. Okay. So I have the pillow and also a mattress here, so I'm going to kind of show you first. What we're going to do is we're going to work on just slowly lowering and just barely touching that and back up. Okay. Okay, so we're really working on that eccentric control, which is just another part of strengthening, and we're going to try that right now. So the key is to go slow. Barely touch, and back up. Good. And good weight bearing through both legs. All right, so now I'm going to take away the foam. So it's a little deeper, so you're going to have to go a little further. This is another progression. So go ahead and try and, you can go ahead and look back to see how deep it is. All right, and we're going to do the same thing, nice and slow. And back up. Good. All right, and then once we get really good at this, we'll take the pillow away. And we'll do it again. Yep, and back up. Really focus on getting that full extension through your hips. All right? So you can go ahead and have a seat. I'm just going to kind of explain what we were doing. So why we were doing that is we want you to fully get that hip extension, and that helps with when you stand up to be more secure in what you're doing. All right, and then also I'm looking to make sure that you're able to get that hip extension and also not compensating in any form. And we want you to have your knees nice and straight as well. All right.